Hello, this is Mrs. Ducharme, and I want to talk with you briefly about using opposing viewpoints. You can get to this database a couple of ways. You can go to the library research page and find information, and from there choose the passwords, or you can search directly in your drive for FDR library passwords, and opposing viewpoints is down here under O, right here. Opposing Viewpoints is one of my favorite databases. It opens up like this after you put in your password, and because it's opposing viewpoints, you know it's going to be giving you different sides of any issue. I like the way it's organized. So you have here 8 main topic areas, and for each one you have the ability to see lots of different subjects. This is a great database to use if you're not sure exactly what you're looking for. You're looking maybe for a topic. So I've chosen Society and Culture. I could choose a different one right from this pull-down menu. But from Society and Culture, I'm going to have a browse through these different topics and choose one. Before I go much further, I want to point out, you'll notice up here I'm signed in. When you first begin a session with opposing viewpoints, make sure that you are signed in. You're going to choose the G, not the classroom, but the G Google logo. And that will enable you to save your work as you go. All right, so I've taken a look at this, and I'm going to choose, you can see how much there is here, right? I'm going to choose this one called Youth Sports. And when I open this topic, I will get a browsing page. So the first thing I'll see is an article which will give me general information about the topic. I highly recommend that you have a scan through the general information. Again, it can help you to understand the issues for that particular topic, and it can help you narrow your focus. After I've had a look at that, I always recommend using for databases the internal navigation, not your back button, but your internal navigation here, all databases. After I've had a look at that, I might want to have a browse through some of the different types of sources. Opposing Viewpoints gives me viewpoint articles. These are ones that the company has chosen because they have different views on the topic. I have statistics, reference, these are going to be encyclopedia type articles, 56 magazine articles, over 3,000 newspaper articles, audio, these are going to be radio shows and podcasts, and they're very engaging to listen to. They're not like a robot talking. Academic journals, these are going to be the higher reading level, and some websites, and of course videos are great as well. So from what I read in the opening article, I am interested in knowing more about Title IX. Title IX is something in the U.S. that requires schools to offer the same funding for girls' sports as for boys' sports. So here I am in the viewpoints. Notice I went into the search within results. This is a great box for narrowing down to get fewer results closer to what you want. So here I am, I've got these 6 articles, that's a nice number for me, and I'm interested in this one, it hurts men's sports, and this one, it's a success and should not be blamed for hurting men's sports, 2 different issues. I've gone ahead and saved those, and they will show now in my folder. So here, when I get home, I might want to read these more closely. Here they are in my folder. I don't have to go find them again. Whenever I'm opening an article, I have the option to listen to it, and then I've got good tools along the side here. The citation tools are excellent. I make sure I'm choosing the MLA, and I like to just copy it, but you can also send it to Google Drive, download it, whatever works best for you. When I'm taking my notes on this article, I'll have the citation right there so I don't have to do it again later. Okay? Other options here, I can do some highlighting as I go. I can highlight and take a note. and that will save into my folder as well. So just a few things to know about opposing viewpoints. Again, one of the things you want to look for is this search within results box. It's a gray box right here, and anytime that the databases give you the option to limit your search or give you the option to search within the results that are showing, you want to do that because it helps you narrow down a lot more. So here I've got 56 magazine articles. Maybe I'm only interested in soccer. And so let's see if I have anything coming up for soccer. I'm down to 16. Okay? So highly recommend using some of those features when you're using opposing viewpoints. Logging in, narrowing down, browsing to make sure that you are choosing topics that you're interested in, and gradually narrowing down so that you are choosing a topic based on information. So looking at that main article first to get ideas about how you might narrow down your topic. All right, thanks very much for watching.